Hello, you're watching Straight Up by Edexlive. Delhi is all set to reopen schools from September 1. In a relief to many parents, the physical classes are not forced upon anyone. Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister, Manish Sisodia, said that only those students who get permission letters from their parents would be allowed for in-person classes as online lectures would continue. Sisodia said that as per Delhi government's survey, around 70% of people wanted the schools to reopen. Apart from that, the Deputy Chief Minister said that colleges and coaching institutes for the senior students would also reopen from September 1. However, he said that decision to reopen schools for classes below 9 would be taken after another round of survey. According to health experts, with an exception of those with comorbidities, children can handle COVID infections much better than adults or even older adolescents. Many educationists have been calling for schools to open up for younger children as they are missing out on their crucial learning age and their daily midday meals. Other states too have decided to open up schools for higher classes. For instance, Tamil Nadu issued a standard operating procedure on Friday for schools to begin for class 9 to class 12 from September 1. The state will be allowing only 20 students in a classroom. Even the Odisha government has resumed physical classes for class 9 in special schools across the state. Classroom teaching has already begun for students of class 9 in the state. Interestingly, the state of Haryana has decided to reopen primary schools for class 4 and class 5 from September 1. Haryana's Education Minister Kanwar Pal said in an official statement that only those students who have written permission from their parents would be allowed to attend classes. We'll have to wait and watch to see how long it will take for all children across the country to be back in schools. That's all for today. Wear a mask, stay safe, and like, share, and subscribe.